guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. Today's wig is from a company called LUVME Hair. I have ordered from them like 4 times and I absolutely love it. I'm exerting Free to Color vibes low key, but this is a glueless install. Like no glue, no gel, no nothing, no baby hairs, you guys. And I have this half up, half down, and this wig is not going anywhere. Like I can hit a Beyonce on stage and this wig's not going anywhere. But I hope you guys enjoy. It's super beginner friendly. Definitely you can do it. I try to keep all my tutorials very beginner friendly because I want you to know that you can do it. I don't know who in 2022 is spending $500 for a wig install anymore. That used to be me. Like I've spent most of $700. That just really tapped me into wanting to learn how to do my wigs myself. So I just try to keep all my wig tutorials beginner friendly. This one is completely glueless and I even styled it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So you guys, we're back with another wig install. This is a 13 by 6 frontal parting space by LUVME Hair, you guys. I absolutely love their hair. I am right now just putting on the wig. I think that today we'll just do like a quick little talk through. I did not pluck the hairline. I did, however, attempt to bleach the knots, as you guys can see. Okay, so the lace is really nice. I'm thinking we're gonna do like a half up, half down kind of vibe. So far, what I do like about this wig is how tight it is to my head. So right now, let's just cut off some lace. Okay, so let's just cut it off. And actually, I'm gonna just take it off my head and cut it as close to the hairline as I possibly can. I wasn't planning on having a glueless install, but this little headband thing is phenomenal. You guys, it's literally phenomenal. I got this from LUVME Hair. This is the best thing when it comes to wigs. Literally, my wigs do not slip. They stay on all day. It is a game changer when it comes to glueless installs. If you know, don't want your wig slipping off your head. Granted, they normally never don't. Like, you know, they don't normally ever slip off my head. But you guys, when I say game changer, this, my friend, is a game changer. So as you guys can see, I cut the lace off as close to the hairline as I can get it. I think that it's a little too, it's a little too on my hairline, okay? I was thinking of having like little, you know how them girls be having those little cute little bang areas in the front? I kind of want to do that. Oh, let me show you guys the parting space real quick. As you guys know, I do not have a wig cap on, but this is the parting that it's giving. Like I said, it is a 13 by 6, so it's a pretty beefy part. We're gonna have to kind of be careful. Okay, I think we're gonna go like half, because like I said, I don't plan on gluing this down. I want to keep it as easy and beginner friendly as I possibly can. I think this should be enough hair. We won't know until we actually start. Put the back hair in this little slinky scrunchie. So this is going to be the hard part, I would say. Okay, we're gonna just kind of put that to the side. Okay, look at me, you guys. So what I need to do is get this hair a little wet just in the front area right here. But as you guys can see, I do not have it glued down. It's definitely glueless. I'm gonna just wet it real quick. BRB. So I wet the hair a bit. I didn't go too ham, and I'm just lightly combing it. I do know that I'm going to have to reposition it sooner than later. We're gonna just take a brush and just lightly comb it up. We're just trying to be light because it is not glued down, y'all. Now we're gonna take a ponytail holder. We're gonna do this lightly. You guys can see I'm literally each time around pulling the hair through. Uh-oh. Like super soft. Now that we have that in place, we need to kind of reposition the hair. I want to put this little red scrunchie in my hair just for some added volume. And I don't know if I want to do a like ponytail, like a bun, you know, knowing that I don't think we want to do a bun. knowing that I don't have like the most hair out at the top. You know what I mean? I am going to wet it. We're gonna just split it and then we're gonna wet that, okay? Real quick, we're going to take a brush and just, you know, make the hair bigger. This hair, we're gonna tease a bit. Kind of going for like 90s or better yet, like 70s disco girl. I think it's kind of cute though, but look at the hairline. We did not glue it down. Let me go wet the hair a bit and I'll be right back. So you guys, this is how the wig turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it's super cute. I love how the wig feels like it's literally not going anywhere. Like when I say I can drop down low and sweep the flow with it, my wig is not going anywhere. That band that I showed you guys in the beginning, it came in my Love Me Hair box. Whenever you order from these companies, especially Love Me Hair, they give you a ton of stuff. You get eyelashes, you get wig caps, you get this wig band, which I absolutely love. So I love the additional goodies that you get on top of it. And of course, they always have a ton of like discounts. So definitely go shop the links below. I absolutely love this hair. It did not tangle, it did not shed. I felt like when it came to bleaching the knots, sorry, lip gloss be getting all in my hair. I hate that. When it came to bleaching the knots bleach so beautifully. So if you ever want to like lift this hair to a blonde, it definitely can. On this side, as you guys can see, maybe you can't, I actually over bleached this area. Personally, when it comes to bleaching knots, I think that if you over bleach the knots, they kind of look better than under bleaching the knots, because if you under bleach the knots, then sometimes you can still see those black little grids on your lace. And when you over bleach the knots, it kind of just looks like you just plucked it. I did not pluck this hair at all. I absolutely love it. I feel like Love Me Hair has a bunch, especially the 13x6. And then the last video you guys saw from me was their 5x5. That closure wig was just way too easy. Like, this 13x6, way too easy. That closure wig, way too easy to install if you guys are beginners. I love how they're trying to just change the face of wig games and make it virtually possible for anybody to do. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, do be sure to leave them in the comment sections. I respond back to everybody. I love the community feel over here. I never want you to feel like I'm unobtainable, you know what I mean? And that's another reason why I started my channel, because when I had questions for bloggers, they never would respond. So do be sure to leave them in my comment sections. I absolutely respond to every comment that comes into my comment sections. My DMs on Instagram have been getting flooded. Like, I get like 50 messages a day. That is overwhelming. So I'm trying to respond back to everybody over on Instagram, but do be sure to leave a comment. If you like this video, like the video. It just helps me so much. And yeah. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.